Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening your campaign and importing the essentials: maps, tokens, and character sheets. Do this now so your interface is ready. It speeds every decision later. Once the assets are in, assign player roles and lock GM-only journals. Make sure to configure the grid size and snap to grid so movement behaves predictably. These first actions remove friction mid-game and let you focus on adjudicating actions instead of hunting settings. You now assemble scenes and control what players see. Set dynamic lighting and fog of war, then place tokens on layers so sight and occlusion work correctly. Once done, run initiative with the turn tracker and attach token bars to character sheets so damage, HP, and conditions update live. Make sure to use macros and API scripts for repetitive rolls. They save time and reduce error. As you narrate, toggle visibility, and share handouts, you conclude by saving logs, updating journals with session notes, and exporting any maps you altered. This keeps continuity between sessions. Then tidy the campaign, archive finished scenes, reassign permissions, and tag key NPCs or handouts so they're easy to find. If something goes wrong, tokens not moving or macros misfiring, try clearing your browser cache, reloading Roll20, and reassigning token ID. These quick fixes resolve most sync and script issues before a session derails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.